Hey guys, so today we're looking at an alternator on a Toyota Yaris. This one's a 2007. Let's check it out. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and disconnect your negative battery cable. It's a 10mm. Then we've got a 12mm bolt that would be sitting here. It's like an adjuster bolt. And then a 12mm nut right there. And then, let's see, we have a 14mm sitting right down there at the end of my finger. So we'll take those out, kind of get this guy out of the way. And then we have our connectors, which is going to be right here. This guy is a 10mm nut. Go ahead and take him off. It'll be covered by this little cover. Just kind of pry him off. Then our connector down here is a squeeze connector. So it's this guy right here. You just squeeze him, pull him out, and he comes right out of there. So that's it, and we'll see what's next. Okay, and one other thing here is, if you can see where I've got that wrench on, that's a 10mm. You're gonna need to remove that guy as well, so we can move this bracket kind of out of our way so that bolt will clear. Okay, and from here we're just gonna, you can see I swung the alternator just forward, and then we just kind of grab them, wiggle on out. You have to rock them a little bit, and once I do that, I'll pick them up out of here. And coming out, it's just real simple. That's it. So the installation will be the reverse of that removal, and next we're going to look at our water pump.